Let's talk about one of the most confusing topics when you are starting a small business, and that's shipping. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jordan. I am the founder and creator of Chill Babe Candle Co., as well as some other businesses in the past, so I know how frustrating shipping can be. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to set up your Shopify shipping, as well as Pirate Ship, and how to use that to get even cheaper shipping prices. So with all of that said, I have my laptop here. I will screen record everything, and let's just get into it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is sign into your Shopify account and go down to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Then immediately after that, click on Shipping and Delivery, which will take you to this page you see here. And under General Shipping Rates, click Manage. Now you are in the section where you can add rates. So as you can see, there are already some rates there, but you can edit or create your own rates. Right now, I'm going to teach you how to add more domestic rates. So you go down and click Add Rate. First, I'm going to show you how to use carrier or app rates. So just click Use Carrier or App to calculate rates. This is the easiest for beginners because they just do everything for you essentially. So here you can choose between DHL, USPS, or UPS. You can actually choose all three. You just go in and do this process multiple times. Here I'm just doing UPS or USPS, and I'm just clicking on all the types of mail just because it's really up to you what you would like to offer. And there's also a section for a handling fee. I never add that to my store just because I just add, the cost of shipping supplies into my prices. So now you can see that there's two sections, your rates and carrier and app rates. But now let's add our own rate. So we can make these basically whatever we want. Right now I'm going to teach you how to put in a rate for free shipping. So click Add Rate, select Set Up Your Own Rates. Now the price is going to stay zero because obviously if it's free shipping, we don't want it to cost anything. So click on Add Conditions. And you can either choose based on item weight or based on order price, but we're going to do order price for now. So now we're going to set the minimum order price for free shipping to $60. And click Done. And there you can see that we now have free shipping on orders $60 and up. Okay, but what if you wanted to ship internationally? So we're based in the States. What if we want to ship to Canada? Well, I'll show you how to do that right now. You're going to go up and click Create Shipping Zone. Now, you just name your zone. So I'm going to choose to call this one Canada. And then we're going to search for countries. So I'm just going to type in Canada and it's just going to pop up. I'm going to choose to send, to ship to all provinces. If you want to, I guess you could exclude some, although I don't know why you would. Now, if you scroll down, you can see your domestic shipping, and then you scroll down and look, there's Canada. So to add rates, because clearly there are no rates yet, click Add Rate. And this is literally just like you did for the domestic shipping. And yeah, it's that easy. So now if you wanted to add your own rate to an international shipment, you can do that as well. And here I'm just going to show you how to do that. So set up your own rates. This is quite handy when I teach you how to use Pirate Ship to get better prices. This is just an easier way to not have to charge your customers a ton of shipping. So here I'm just going to set shipping at $9.99, and you can choose the dollar, either the Canadian dollar or the US dollar. And because we're charging for this shipment, we're going to go based off of item weight, since most things you ship are based off of how much it weighs. So here we have, based on item weight, we're going to have 0 to 1 pound be $9.99 to ship. Click done, and look, you've just created your own rate. Then when you're done, don't forget to go up to the top right corner and hit save. Now we're going to go back to the shipping and delivery page, and we're going to add the weight of our boxes. So you're going to scroll down until you see saved packages. And so if you have a poly mailer, this is where you'll put all of your sizes in. If you have multiple types of packages, put them all in there. This is going to help you in the long run and make printing your shipping labels so much easier. So as you can see, you just click add package. So you're just going to click on add package and type in whatever you want to call this package. I just said small box, just because that's easier. And then you can choose your package type. Is it a box, an envelope, soft package, or a satchel? So if you have different types, then there you go. And then you just put in the dimensions. I'm using the dimensions from one of my smaller boxes that I use for my own business, which is 6 by 6 by 4. And I know here this section says it's optional, but I think it's incredibly important to input how much your packaging weighs, just because when it comes to checkout and not checkout, but when it comes to printing your shipping labels, your weight is going to be way more accurate than if you don't use it. And here I'll also use this package to calculate rates at checkout. This is more important when you have just like one type of packaging. Okay, now this is the fun part for anyone who wants cheaper shipping or anyone who's looking to ship internationally. This is the best way to get the cheapest prices. So the first thing you're going to do is create a free Pirate Ship account, and then you'll need to sync it to your account. I won't be doing that in this video, but I can assure you it's quite easy. Once you're all signed in and connected to your Shopify, just click Rates. And then here you're going to input where you would like to send your package. So for this round, I'm doing the United States. Let's just say we're going to send it to Beverly Hills, the iconic 90210. So then you're just going to put in your package dimensions as well as its weight and get rate quotes. As you can see, it has selected Parcel Select Ground Cubic for the cheapest option, which is $8.49. And you can see here that we are saving 21% compared to retail prices. But now, what would happen if we tried this going to Canada? Okay, so now we're just going to select Canada, and we're going to put in a Canadian zip code. We're going to leave everything else the same just so you can see the price difference. As you can see, these prices are much more expensive. So as you can see, first class package international is $21 for the same package. But if you scroll up, you can see that we have something called Pirate Ship Simple Export Rate, which shipping is only $10.99. So how do you get this rate? You have to add it. and I'm going to show you how. So just go into the chat box in the bottom right corner, and all you have to do is simply just ask them to enable it, and they will. And then you have the best shipping price for shipping overseas. I do believe that this only works for boxes under 4 pounds. So if you're sending something small, then this is going to be great for you. However, if you're sending really, really heavy things all the time, it's really only going to help with packages under 4 pounds. I use this to create my own rates for Canadian shipping, because whenever I ship overseas, I always use Pirate Ship to get them the best price on shipping. So I will go into Pirate Ship. As you can see here, I have 0 to 1 pound and so on. So I go into Pirate Ship, and I have spent many hours just inputting different weights. I'll start with like 5 ounces, then go to a pound, then between 1 pound and 1.5, just to try to get the pricing correct. Obviously, my pricing is not going to be the same as your pricing, just due to the fact that like we may not be in the same area in the States. So you will have to spend time doing that yourself if, shipping overseas is something you want to do. So that's all I have for you today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Feel free to subscribe. I'd love to have you. And yeah, that's all I have to say. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments. I will do my best to answer them. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, for making it all the way through, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.